Hey everybody, Jim King back out here with my King Piers team. Happy birthday to this young man. He's 15 years old. When I knew him, he was just a baby. Now he's growing up, becoming a man. Anyway, he comes to all of our jobs in the summertime. Unlike most 15-year-olds are out playing basketball, playing video games, this young man's father wants him to grow up and be a hard worker, so he's teaching him at the right age. So anyway, King Piers out here in Lee Summit. We got a 6 King Pier job here. How's the job going?
Going good.
Going good?
Yeah.
What have you been doing?
I've been pulling up buckets and digging up dirt.
Digging up dirt. All right, all right. So anyway, for all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Also, I want to tell you, if you hire King Piers, you will have some of the finest men on the planet coming and working at your house. Clean, respectful, you got a smile on their face, they love what they do. Thank you.